In this video, I'm going to show you how to write equations in Microsoft Word. So I'm going to try by writing this sophisticated equation, this a bit complex equation. So let's say I'm going to a new bar, new page, new. I'm hitting the enter button to start a new line. Let's go to a new line, and then you can come to insert over here. You can come all the way to equations, and then the equation editor comes up. Okay, so you have the option to, this is a square root or fifth root of x squared. You can come to radicals over here. You just click and you're able to see this is nth root, something like that. So you click, so you come back to the beginning. This is 5, and then this is x squared. So x squared is supposed to be a script. You click here and add a script, and then you come down and add x, and then the 2 up, then you hit on the forward sign to come out, and then hit on the equals to sign. Let me undo this. Out of that, then equal to sign, and then you have a bracket over here. So the bracket quickly, and then you can always put, this is x squared within the bracket, so we can always bring back the equation editor, and this x squared, so put in x squared. So for example, x squared, and then raised to power 5. So let's copy everything here and let's cut it. So we have another script first before putting it. So this whole thing we paste raised to power of 1 over 5, so it's a fraction. So let's go up 1 over 5, 1, then 5, and then we can come out of this and say equal to, this is x raised to power 5 bar. So this is so script, okay, x raised to power 5 5 bar this time around. So we have to come to look for the bar, for example. So we come to script. All right, so we come to accent here, and then we can see the bar here, something like this, and then we can bring our 5 down. So we'll put our 5. All right, so this is now the equation we have just written. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.